Welcome to Lesson 1 of our Romaji course, Pronouncing the Basic Sounds of Japanese. In this lesson, we will focus on the pronunciation of the 46 basic characters of Japanese language. Remember, learning the basic sounds of Romaji is an essential step towards understanding and speaking Japanese with confidence. Let's get started. Let's begin Lesson 1 by familiarizing ourselves with the hiragana glyphs. Notice how the primary hiragana characters are organized. We have the vowels. These vowels form the foundation of the hiragana script. Next, we have the consonant lines. These lines represent the consonant sounds combined with each vowel. By combining the vowel sounds with different consonants, we create a variety of syllables in the hiragana scripts. It's relatively easy for English speakers to learn these syllables using Romaji. However, it's important to note that while most consonant-vowel combinations accurately represent their sounds, there are a few exceptions. Now let's practice the vowel sounds together. Please listen carefully and repeat after the native Japanese speaker.
A, I, U, E, O, A, I, U, E, O.
In Romaji, we indicate the long vowels by adding a macron, which is a straight horizontal line placed above the vowels.
A, I, U, E, O.
Let's now delve into the realm of consonant plus vowel sounds.
Ka, Ki, Ku, Ke, Ko.
The sound shi is represented by the letters sh respectively rather than s.
Sa, Si, S, Se, So.
The sounds chi and su are represented by the letters ch and ts respectively rather than t.
Ta, Chi, S, Te, To. Na, Ni, N, Ne, No.
Fu in Romaji is spelled with an F, but it is pronounced as hu or hu in Japanese.
Ha, Hi, Fu, He, Ho. Ma, Mi, Mu, Me, Mo. Ya, Yu, Yo.
R sound is closer to the English L sound than the R sound. Lightly touch the back of your top front teeth with the tip of your tongue without curling it back as in English. Make a quick and gentle flap of the tongue against the teeth. Unlike the vibrating English R, the Japanese R has minimal vocal cord vibration.
Ra, Ri, Ru, Re, Ro.
Let's try again.
Ra, Ri, Ru, Re, Ro.
Wo in Romaji, the pronunciation is actually similar to the Romaji O.
Wa, O.
The consonant N without the vowels.
N.
Congratulations on mastering the 46 basic sounds of Japanese in Lesson 1.1. In the next lesson, we'll cover the remaining 71 sounds found in modern Japanese. Get ready to expand your skills and enhance your language abilities. Thank you for watching Modern Japanese.
Yo!